Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. I want to thank you all who are subscribing to our channel. Yes, and those ones who keep on asking questions about these hairstyles. Please, thank you so much, and I wish what I always answer you, you also get the ideas and try out all those answers, and let me hope that they do that they do it for you. So today I'm with someone, I think someone that you know. She's called Ray P, and I'm going to plate her the French coils. So this I'm going to plate her this way, in that I want to show you a difference between the way we can plate these people who want crazy hairstyles, and those ones who would need something that is very simple. So for her, I think she will need something crazy because of her kind of job. She would need something crazy. So in this one, I chose the French coils because the French coils is the best hair that you can do. You can change in all styles that you want to, and you can do it even if it's mob on the head, even if it's little, still it keeps on looking good. And so as usual, we do the cornrows halfway, as you can see. And please, I want you to follow all these rules, because they will also help you when you're learning. And please don't try to subscribe. So if you keep on doing these the puff cornrows, as you can see, I told you that we should always do the crochets. We should always do the cornrows depending on the crochets that we're going to use. So here is I'm doing the small cornrows, and I'm doing it in a puff way, so that when I apply my crochet, I'll be able to separate it in all directions. So this is it, and you can see how it is. It's very small. So don't do your cornrows like this when you're going to use a big crochet, a big type of crochet. So it is about the cornrows that you do. You do the cornrows depending on the type of a crochet that you're going to use. So when I'm done doing my cornrows like this, remember we have to put the anti-itchy for protecting our scalp from itching. Yes. Excuse me. And this is how we crochet. So this, you do it twice when you're crocheting, so that it doesn't unlock itself. You see, you can use even your fingers just like this. You see, like that. Excuse me. Yeah, you see, twice. You do it twice. Just keep on doing twice, just like that. You see. Yeah, just like that. So you don't need to use you don't need to crochet it once, because when you do it once, it may come out. So this is how I keep on doing it. Remember, I told you I'm with the lady herself called Rapi, and most of you know her. So she's trying out the French coils, and you will see the results as how I told you. Keep on try to look at my hands. You see, I lock it twice, just like 1, 2. You see, that's how you should keep on doing. It's a new style of locking rather than tying. Yes, just like that. So that's how you keep on locking the French coils. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a friend who also need to learn all these kind of hairstyle, please just tell her owe him to subscribe on Hair Zipper YouTube channel so that we can keep on doing this together. Shout out to all my friends in New York or Nigeria. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Yes, so when I'm done, I'm trying to pin a side way. Yes, just like that. You see. And the maintenance is, as I know somebody's going to ask me about how you can maintain it, but this one, the only thing you can do, you just have to mix water. You get oil, hair polisher, any hair polisher oil. You mix it with water, so you just keep on spraying every morning, and every morning when you're going to separate it or to style it in all direction that you want to do. So excuse me, this is how we keep on doing all our hairstyles. And remember, my tips was, don't do the big cornrows while plaiting a small crochets. So plait the crochets, plait the cornrows depending on the crochet you're going to use. And this one is a French coils. Maintenance, you just need to spray it every day in the morning when you're going to, or like when you're trying to arrange it or to sell it. You just have to be spraying it. And lastly, this hair, even if you want to hold a puff, trust me, you can do it. So keep on loving Hair Zipper, and I sign out. By the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next video, and we're going to keep on learning more of this hairstyle. I think my next video I'm going to be showing how you can do the short one. I love you so much. I sign out.